Hi, I'm Peggy. Today I'd like to introduce our different type of paper bags. First one is Kraft paper bags. This kind of bag can printing with different logo, like this logo or this one. Yes, and the logo can be a single side and double side, or full-page side. Yes, the side can be printed, and the handle can also be of different colors and shapes. Like this type is flat. This type is twisted. Another type of paper bag is white cardboard paper bag. This one. This bag is thicker and stronger, and so it can hold very heavy things in the bags. The surface of the bag is matte and also can be shiny. So we can printing different logo on the bags, like the side. Yes, full page printing. And the bags always use the rope handle. These two types can be customized, like the size and the printing. Yes, we can print different logo and produce different size, and the quantity is very good. So if you are interested in our paper bags, just contact us. Bye bye.